somewhere.
Oh.
Hey,
He's
quiet.
here somewhere.
Hey, wait a minute. Is it quiet time yet?
I don't know.
Probably.
What time is it?
Somebody need to check time.
Check the time.
You're the one with the phone.
You retard.
Check the time, Donato.
I don't have a phone. My phone's dead.
Uh-oh. What's your phone say, honey?
It says I'm dead.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Your phone's finally dead?
Yeah.
That's for 2 days?
You know what? They all quiet as mouses up there, so Pepe Le Pew's fucking raiding their campsite right about now.
Let's go see.
Pepe Le Pew waiting for you to go to bed.
I got hiccups.
I know that.
Oh my god.
Are you recording this?
Shut up.
Yes, he's recording it.
She's a beating.
Oopsie.
Yeah,
You know what?
New asshole talking.
Someone other than you, huh?
Someone other than me.
You a little tired, Daddy?
Not me.
Oh my god.
Where's the skunks?
Are they over there?
Are you sure?
No.
How do you know they ain't out there?
They're somewhere.
Well, you should find the skunks, man. Pepe Le Pew.
Fuck Pepe Le Pew. He comes strolling through my tent site anytime he wants.
Oh, no, no, no.
As long as he keeps his ass.
As long as he what?
As he keeps his ass to himself. Alright. We'll be alright.
You're gonna sleep out here.
Possibility.
It's a probability. Because if you fall asleep here, you're staying here.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Just don't hiccup while you're drinking. You might spill it on yourself.
Too late for that.
Pepe.
Pepe ate my puke earlier.
Oh, you gonna puke?
No, I don't know.
I don't do puke, honey. You better sleep outside.
You lying outside of the bed.
Oh, you're not puking in no tent with me. You sleeping right where you are. I'm gonna leave you here.